Let's go!
Guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hindi ho ako makatulog at time checks ho. Hindi na ho evening kundi umaga na ho. 1:27 na. Gladly wala po akong pasok bukas. Day off po, Saturday and then Sunday. At welcome back to my YouTube channel. At i-update ko lang po kayo sa New Year's ng aking mga loved ones sa Vancouver, cousin, ang aking auntie at ang aking mother at ang aking love Jan sa Vancouver. So happy New Year. I know this is a late upload, but I want to share with you kung ano na ang update sa aking family sa Vancouver. Kahit na malayo ho kami, parang LDR din ito, pero constant naman ang communication namin. So binabati ko po ang aking cousin, si Cousin Eva, sa kanyang birthdays noong New Year. Kaya happy birthday sa iyo. At kahit na 4 lang kayo nag-celebrate ni Mami, ni Love Jan, at saka ang iyong mother, si Auntie, ay masaya ang iyong birthday at ang New Year's at ang iyong mga foreign student. So, ayan, maraming salamat sa pag-i-entertain mo sa aking pamilya, lalo na kay mother. So, sa lahat ng tumulong na nag-rescue sa kanila nung New Year's morning, papunta sila sa Mount Seymour, hindi natuloy kasi nag-broke down po yung car ni cousin. At unfortunately ay naging okay naman po sila doon. Kaya panoorin niyo po ito, ang small update and New Year's celebration nila sa Vancouver. Alam niyo naman dito sa Canada, hindi katulad ng sa Pilipinas na masaya ang pagsalubong ng ating bagong taon sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo naman tayo mga Pilipino, we are so passionate sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon at marami po tayong handa. Dito po talagang parang ordinary na lang po ang bagong taon. Sa iba naman ay nakapagse-celebrate po sila dahil buo po ang kanilang pamilya rito. And all I can say is keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving. Because moving is power. Because if you move, you can celebrate New Year's, you can celebrate birthday and more birthday. And you can make a lot of special different things. And you can inspire people to move and to be successful in life. So, God bless po sa inyong lahat at magandang umaga po at good morning, early morning. It's 1:27 when I show you the hours here in Edmonton, Alberta. So, panoorin niyo po to. Watch this small video, my family update. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's Vlog. Thank you so much. God bless.
look at that.
Yeah,
Our
we
handa
have so much
tonight.
food.
Yes, curry. Tamago, Japanese tamago, naoki. Naoki. Noki. Noki.
Yeah, Jai.
Noki. 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 There.
Okay.
We are here again.
We're here at Cousins and Nancy's place again. Just us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody, Happy New Year! Happy
New Year, hello, everybody.
Happy New Year! Oh, see?
Makikita na kayo? Makikita kaya kami?
Oo,
Oh.
Party! Party!
Party! Happy New Year! With a blessed, prosperous New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year
to everybody! Oh, this is our queen.
Queen of Hearts.
Wow, they're on style, ah.
Wow!
Wow, the Hawaiian one and the reggae one. Party!
Party! Party, party!
Party! We have a party there.
Happy New Year! It's so nice here. There
nice.
is a food. There
Lots
is
of food.
Lots of food.
Okay, say, gano'n na, thumb up na.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to
Happy New Year!
Happy birthday.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy birthday.
All the best!
2025.
Happy 2025!
God bless.
No, hanan.
Ready? Let's go.
Kismet.
Happy birthday
Kismet.
to you.
Wait.
Happy birthday to you.
Cheers!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Cheers.
to you. Ready? Let's go.
Wow.
Happy birthday
Nice.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Kismet.
happy birthday
Kismet.
to you.
Wait. Taste.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers.
Mmm. Wow. Nice.
Okay, that's it.
Ayan, nakapasama.
Hello, family, relatives, and friends. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
New Year.
Happy New Year to everybody there. If you are watching.
All the best to everyone. From all of
Hashtag
us here
all the
in
best.
this kitchen.
May you have a wonderful New Year.
New Year.
You have a blessed and a magical 2025.
Amen.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye 2024. Hello 2025.
Bye.
Great.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's New Year's Day, and we're going to Mount Seymour. This is Portman Bridge. Ah, that's it. Portman Bridge.
Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms, find my home.
Ang mga may speed una yan.
Nag-slow.
Mag-slow.
Feels like a gift from above.
Hindi kami may underground. Oh my God.
In your love,
Kaya mo yan.
Ah?
forevermore.
Inya nga di ka bali nata, alternator. Alternator. Dapat sinukatan na ko may dinto. Oh my God.
Baby sun.
Ito si Auntie. Saka si Mami kumakain ng hotpot. Andito kami. Sila ang nag-ano sa amin, nag-rescue.
Sarap po.
Kasi nag-ano yung sasakyan ni Kasin. O, tignan mo. Pakita mo yung kanmante doon. Pakita mo, ante.
Malaking prawn. Masarap.
Masarap.
Ito.
Ano mo? Introduce mo.
Ang lalaki naman ito.
Kaya na po. Sarap yung camera. Ayan, dumating na si CEO. Ayan na kayo.
Oh, kumakain na siya. Saka si Auntie. Ang daming pagkain dito. Yan.
Nagkakagahan ba kayo kanina? Tatawag sana ako ng
Yan.
Uber. Hindi ko naman, ano.
Ito si Keith, right? Keith.
Hello.
Nagluluto sila ng hotpot. Ayan. Delicious soup. Para sa
For the New Year.
New Year namin dito. Punta kami rito. Papunta na rin si Cassie. Sabi mo sa Sabi mo sa
My name is Zeth. Dumalo po dito si Ate Luz.
Yeah.
Welcome. Happy New Year po.
Yeah. Mga pinsan ni Cassie na lahat sila dito. Family. Yung building na yan ay yung Columbia Hospital dito sa Zurich. Royal Columbia. Royal Columbia.
Ay, New Westminster.
Sa New Westminster. Kaya nandito kami ngayon. Ang ganda ng view.